tummy tails, where dancing sunbeams softly glide. Leaves were glowing, air was sweet, music floated through the trees' feet. Birds were chirping, light was warm, butterflies danced in happy form. Something special was in the air, excitement sparkled everywhere. Animals gathered, buzzing sound, something fun is coming to town. In the center, shining bright, a leafy ramp glowed with light, made of petals, vines, and flowers, sparkling gently with magic powers. A banner swayed in colors gay, drum roll sounded, soft yet grand. Veggies and fruits stood hand in hand, a cheerful voice rang loud and clear. Hello friends, come gather near. Today's the day of fun and cheer. Our healthy stars will now appear. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Watch our friends so bright and sweet. Music rising, happy beat. Let the ramp walk now begin, neat and neat. Slowly rolling shiny red, little apple proudly said, I'm the apple, fresh and bright, crunchy, juicy, pure delight. I help keep your body strong, healthy, active, all day long. Every bite so sweet and nice, keeps you glowing like sunshine twice. Apple twirled with gentle grace, smiling wide with happy face. Crowd cheered loudly, Apple, apple, what a sight! Sliding in with playful swing, happy banana danced and sang. I'm banana, yellow and fun, energy boost for everyone. Run and jump and laugh with glee, power and strength I give for free. No more tired, no more slow, I help little heroes grow. Banana wiggled, silly spin, giggles echoed through the wind. Crowd clapped happily, banana, banana, let's all grin. Walking tall with steps so neat, carrot tapped its tiny feet. I'm carrot orange, slim and tall, eyesight helper for you all. See the colors bright and clear, eat me daily, never fear. I help you read and help you play, lighting up your happy day. Carrot posed so bold and bright, forest shimmered with delight. Crowd chanted, carrot, carrot, what a glow! Bouncing softly, leafy crown, broccoli hopped up and down. I'm broccoli, green and smart, healthy power is my art. Strong bones, muscles, brain and more, tiny bites bring strength galore. I help you grow both brave and wise, shining bright like stars in skies. Broccoli spun, then gave a wink. Kids would love this playful blink. Crowd laughed joyfully. Broccoli, broccoli, green delight. Rolling gently, glowing around, orange spoke with happy sound. I'm orange juicy, fresh and bright, vitamin magic shining light. I help protect you day and night, keeping your body full of might. Sweet and tangy, fun to eat, healthy goodness, nature's treat. Orange twirled with cheerful cheer, sparkles danced far and near. Crowd sang, orange, orange, sunny star. Strutting proudly, shining red, little tomato smiled and said, I'm tomato, red and round, healthy goodness tightly bound. I help your heart stay happy strong, keeping you active all day long. Tasty, juicy, fun to see, full of goodness inside me. Pose to spin to happy grin, crowd clapped loudly. Tomato, tomato, bright and sweet. All the fruits and veggies near, gathered close with joyful cheer. Different colors, shapes and size, shining bright before our eyes. Together they sang, happy and loud, healthy food makes us proud. Eat your fruits and veggies too, they bring magic just for you. Suddenly, children joined the show, laughing, dancing, all aglow. They waved and twirled upon the ramp. Feet went tap tap, stamp stamp stamp. Fruits and veggies danced with glee, joyful friends for all to see. Walk the ramp, shine and